So in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to buy solo ads with your email swipe. Alright, so right now let's try to choose one of the lead magnets which you preferred. Okay, let's try to use this one. So for this unique link page, which is the squeeze page, it provides you several email swipes up here. So all you need to do is to use this swipe to buy solo ads. And right now let's try to go to the one of the most secured solo ads platform to buy solo ads. So if you're newbies and you want to buy solo ads, this is the recommended platform for you because it is the most secured platform to buy. You can avoid scams. Okay, so when you're inside and you have logged in into the udemy.com, just go to find seller. Once you're inside, so these are the sections which you need to focus on. Firstly, you need to set the market, which one you want to use it. Of course, this is marketing. And this is the positive rating, so they leave it as it is, like 10 plus. And this is like the most important element you need to check on. So plus, 1 plus sales means that those buyers who have bought these clicks, they have generated sales. So this is important to see whether the traffic is good quality or not. And this one is the dollars per click. So of course you can put $0.4 per click at this range, and 200 visitors, and receive the order within 7 days. So once you have set everything from here, you can see the result below here. So from here you can choose either one. You can see this guy has times 5 on the dollar sign, which means that his traffic can generate sales for you. So let's try to click to Harrison James. So when you're inside his dashboard, from here 14th September 2016, in this date he can receive 200 visitors to 500 visitors. So if you want to buy 200 visitors or 200 clicks, if you buy today, this guy has to deliver all the clicks within 100 hours. I repeat, so this guy, he needs to finish deliver the clicks to you within 100 hours. If he couldn't do that, he has to refund the money to you. Sounds like a pretty good deal, isn't it? So there is always a maximum clicks. So if it's too much, he might be overpromised and he would have failed deliver the clicks to you, so he might need to refund it. So this is not a good deal for this guy. So for newbies like you or me, sometimes I would just buy 200 to 300 clicks. If you want to feel safe, just buy 100 clicks. So I would recommend to buy from 150 to 200 clicks. Alright, so let's try to choose 200 visitors or 200 clicks. So from here there are several checks you need to look up. So of course base filter is a mandatory, so you don't have to do anything from here. So if you try to move your mouse to top tier only, you can see that this seller has average of 77% top tier traffic. So any seller who has top tier traffic which is above 70%, you don't have to use this order, alright, because his quality traffic is good enough. So moreover, Udemy also recommend you whether to use it or not. So it tells you not to use it, so just don't use it. And if you're not sure of this thing, you can move your mouse over there and Udemy will tell you not to use it or use it. So same to this one as well. And right now you need to put in your email swipe. It's pretty simple. And let's try to go back to the done for you program over here. Let's try to copy it, paste it here. So you've done number 1. And let's try to copy the email content, the email swipe content. Copy, click here, delete the whole thing and paste it here. So once you have pasted the contents, you need to embed the link. So this is the link. Just copy it. Just simply put the link over here and save it. So there are several ways for you to do it. You can even embed this word as the link. So there are several ways for you to do it. Depends on you. So you have to remember all the links inside this email swipe has to be directed to the same page. Alright. And one thing I want to remind you is that no matter how bad your email swipe is, it doesn't really matter because you're buying the traffic based on clicks, not based from view. So some of the seller might help you to edit and modify your swipe so his subscribers can click on the link. So you don't have to worry too much on the email swipe. If it's good enough, then it is good enough. Alright, so once you finish it, just click buy. And here it will shows you a summary offer over here, which you are buying 200 visitors or 200 clicks for $81. And if you are satisfied with this thing, you can pay with PayPal or the credit card. So once you've done the transaction, Udemy will show you the analysis of the clicks which this guy has delivered for you. And from time to time, you can go to your lead details in your done for you program and see whether it has generated leads for you. So from here you can see it might sound pretty easy, but for me it is very effortless. I felt very helpless because I couldn't do anything once it has captured the leads, and there's nothing I can do. I just have to wait for the leads to come in and wait for the commission to come in. I'm feeling pretty helpless indeed. That's why I get out from this done for you program and try to build myself my own do-it-yourself program or my digital marketing business program, because I want to feel like doing it and I want to generate a lots of cash. And one of the biggest problems when you buy DFY program is that you can't scale up your business model. You can't even amplify your cash because you are being limited by this DFY program. That's why I'm going to teach you guys how to build your own business program. So right now you know how to buy solo ads, and it will be pretty easy. In the later tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to build your own business program. Thank you.